Waja shong. Keja Israel, keba Egypt, keja Ethiopia, keja Sudan, waja shong. What it talk? You hear what that book talk? He say what? Keja Israel, keba Egypt, keja Ethiopia, keja Sudan, waja shong. He said from Israel we come Egypt. From Egypt we go Ethiopia. From Ethiopia we come Sudan. He said we from far away. That's why. God sent Moses, say make it come Egypt, come where some people come much from there. Make it take them come Mount Sinai. Make God talk to them. I know they care if you they believe them or not. That be your matter. What I they care be say? The people then they stand Mount Sinai. Then they look like me. Oh. The people where then they Israelite, where they call themselves Jews, you know be there now that they stand Mount Sinai. Everybody they stand Mount Sinai, then they jeer me. You dey bab. Moses come, no? He come way. Moses come, he come way from Egypt. You hear say the Ghana people, the Aigbe people, the Yoruba people. You hear say we the talk say we be one people. We come from one place. You hear say we talk say we be Jews. We not be Jews though. We be Hebrew. The people where then go stand Mount Sinai, where then get the Torah. What you they come, you start call Old Testament. Your correct name be Torah. The people where then they stand there, where Okleje, Shiche, Bolo, Mau, Utrediampon. He come talk to Moses where we hear him. He say, hopping, no hopping, no matter. I know they debate them. But the people where then they stand there, hey, they be we. Have you heard what that group talk? Make I give you details small. The Ga people, the Ewe people, the Yoruba people, we left Israel, we come Egypt. From Egypt, we go Ethiopia. From Ethiopia, we come some place that they call the place Baal El Gaza. From there, no, some people go the Congo inside. The people where they left, then go the edge of the Sahara, where then come some place called Lake Chad. From Lake Chad, some river be there, they call them Benue. It's still there today. Then cross Benue comes some place called Lokoja. Lokoja, it is some place in the call Nigeria today. They don't call it Nigeria. Nigeria, their name be Angoni. From Lokoja, the people divide themselves to 3 groups. One go Okpomosho, one go Ile-Ife, one go Bonny. With the bab. The people where them go Bonny, them call themselves La, where they attach the Bonny. Today come 10 La Bonny. The people when they go Ogbomosho, then call them a body Ga. Wo. Meaning that we be the Ga people. Ga. Wo. The people where then go Ile-Ife, then call them by body Ga. Mashi. Meaning that the Ga people then go left. Ga. Mashi. From there, they come all the way down, come a place called Angoni. Angoni, right? They call them Nigeria. We know where we're from. Oh. Make nobody lie you. The Bible you dey zook, it no be the white man in book, it be one a book. Moses go the mountain top, he come, he no bring book come. He no bring book, he bring tablets. Whatever then tell him for the mountain top, 40 years then he dey tell we, then we dey learn. Book no day. The Bible said Moses they come that way write the book. So for 40 years, then everything be oral tradition. Go pop. The people they say the book them are own, the Bible be them are own, no? Make you pop the customs and traditions they inside. No, they do. Who did they do? And then come pop with for West Africa. You open the book, I go figure say then still on our tradition, their customs, where them put for the book inside. You know we say them bust. We be the people where the book they talk about. It be our customs and our traditions. So you talk say, so you take the Bible, where you put down for a custom inside, it say start to make sense. Have I told you? It no be religion, no. You make a religion. If you be Jude, if you they practice Judaism, you dey religion inside. If they practice Christianity, you dey religion inside. If you dey practice Islam, you dey religion inside. I talk you say the book, no religious book. Go ask the Ghana people. Go ask the Ewe people. Go ask the Yoruba people, then go tell you. The book be one book. We go start dissect down. Then go see say the book from house. You know, with the people then they rather my own. They can't bust. I did for you. Akwetey with my name. Small time. You go see what's up.